I'm so scared. Seriously smells a little bit burnt. This hurts. Masala is everywhere. Hello from Bangalore, my name is Ivana and this is the second episode of first time cooking Indian food. Last week I cooked Indian dal. In case you missed that episode, the link for that is down in the description below. But also last week I asked you guys to recommend me, or actually to vote, what dish I should make this week. Big majority voted for a paneer dish. So 2 paneer dishes made it to the list. Palak paneer and Shahi Paneer. And then Wednesday's live session, I asked you guys, I think I like Shahi Paneer more because I'm personally more of a fan of tomato gravies. So today we're making Shahi Paneer. Obviously I had to do my homework first. Okay, let's do some homework. Shahi Paneer. Let's take this one. What are the ingredients? Cashew nuts, really? I don't really need cashew nuts. So many ingredients. This is why I didn't cook Indian food before. Okay, cashew nut paste. Damn, I thought you guys gave me an easy recipe. This does not look easy at all. Okay, let me watch a video. I hope it is. No, Hindi! Seriously, I need English. Come on. Oh wait, did she have translation? Now, I thought that video was a little bit harder than the recipe that I found on the website, but actually, while watching the video, I realized it is easier. So, I decided to follow that video. Without further ado, let's go, let's do this. Let's make Shahi Paneer together. I got the base ingredients here. I doubled the recipe because that recipe was for only 200 grams of paneer. Nah, my friends, this is India. We need to feed more people. So I made it like 4 onions instead of 2, more ginger, 4 tomatoes instead of 2, doubled the cashew nuts and the almonds, and these are the garlic cloves. Also doubled the spices for the masala. Okay, let's put all of this in the pressure cooker.
सबसे पहले गैस ऑन करके उसमें एक प्रेशर कुकर गरम करेंगे. लहसुन, अदरक, टमाटर, प्याज, बादाम और काजू.
This is already an interesting thing of the recipe. Apparently, we're going to be frying these first things without any oil. 100% tomatoes. I think also the ginger.
कुकिंग ऑयल हम लेंगे 2 बड़े चम्मच और थोड़ा सा केसर लेंगे गार्निश के लिए. ऑप्शनल है.
Garlic also, I think. Oh yeah.
मटर, प्याज, बादाम.
So everything.
जिसका हमें पेस्ट बनाना.
Putting it in there. Frying this for 2 minutes. I really have to say the Hindi is not a problem at all because the video is so clear. I guess that's why it's so popular. Obviously, I need to take the time to thank all of you for all your amazing comments and sweet recommendations in last week's videos. Thank you so much for helping me out in this new journey trying to cook Indian food. Some people actually also recommended like, oh, shouldn't you make the dish like more often or watch more videos before you make the dish? No, that is not the point of these series. The point is literally cooking it for the first time and seeing like how hard it actually is to cook Indian food. It is really hard. So that's why I wanted to do this with you guys and take you through the whole process, so you can guide me through it like you did last week. Good job.
हम इसमें पानी डाल देंगे 1 गिलास. पानी डालने के बाद मिला दें. अब प्रेशर कुकर का ढक्कन बंद करके हम इसे 2 सीटी तक पकाएंगे. गैस का फ्लेम मैंने हाई रखा है.
Apparently when the tomatoes are soft, we are supposed to add in a glass of water and pressure cook this for 2 whistles. Look at me being a pro with that pressure cooker lid. Okay, not really. You know what was also fun? Some people actually commented, oh, I'm actually learning how to cook Indian food with you. And I was like, really? That's like the blind leading the blind. But I guess all of the comments are really helping us in improving our Indian cooking skills. That was the second whistle. And I saw her do this neatly.
अब प्रेशर कुकर थोड़ा सा ठंडा हो गया है.
Yay! That was a full trick. Okay. is how it looks right now, and we are supposed to put it in the blender. Apparently the water is not supposed to go in there. You're supposed to drain it. Oh, that's hot. Okay, trying to be photogenic, but at the same time messing up the food. Oh my god, this is hot. Okay, so I think this is too much for this blender, so I might have to take a different blender. I'm quite sure actually. Maybe not. Will it fit? Or actually, will it blend? This is seriously hot. Do not touch it. This is how it looks like right now. I drained all the water. Then I put on the lid. And then grind it. Just like with this week's dish, the Shahi Paneer, you get to decide what dish I'm cooking next week. So let me know down in the comments below what I should cook next week. Please, please, please don't make it too hard. Paneer burji was a little bit too easy, if I'm very honest. Shahi Paneer is difficult, so that was a good choice. Also, make sure to check the comments if somebody else commented the dish that you want me to make, because you can just put a thumbs up on that one. That will save you some time typing, and it's easier for me to keep track of what the most popular dishes are. If you like my videos, please make sure to subscribe and to put a thumbs up. This is so hot. Do not touch it. It's too hot, man. See, this is what I mean. I need to take you through this process because the dish is gonna kill me, but let's be real, it is fun to watch. Okay, I'm gonna clean up all of this and then get back to you. Oh my gosh, this is so bad. Clean the most of the stuff up. It seriously looked like somebody vomited here, right? Not completely gonna clean this one because I'm expecting more damage, so I'm gonna clean that later. But let's see if I can make the masala. Let's try this again, folks. I'm scared now, actually. I'm just gonna pause it because then I can easily stop it. But this is seriously hot. This is why I need to be able to stop it, because like the lid rises. And let's be real, I put in way too much. Pulsing is definitely the way to go apparently. And I think it should be okay now. This space is definitely a lot more red than the one she has in video. But maybe that's because I use more tomatoes. I use different tomatoes with more color or something. I don't know. We'll see. And obviously I had to double the ingredients. Putting in some oil in the pan. And whoop, I think I'm gonna make you so proud putting the spices in the oil. Oh. Frying it for a few seconds, and then we're gonna add, where's the turmeric? Over here. From what I saw, I think she added like 1 teaspoon, something like that. Yeah, definitely looks something like that, because her spoon is way bigger. And also 1 teaspoon of chili. And fry this too. Oh, that looks so pretty. Did I burn the turmeric and the chili now, or is it just my oil? Because this looks way darker than her stuff.
अब हम इसमें ये पिसा हुआ मसाला डाल देंगे.
We'll see in the end. Adding this masala paste. I turned on the fire. I'm so scared. This definitely looks different than in her video.
गैस का फ्लेम यहाँ पे मैंने मीडियम रखा है.
I'm confused. What am I doing wrong? Or is it just because of the filming that I'm too slow for everything? We need to to fry this for a little bit. Seriously smells a little bit burned, but we'll see what the taste squad says at the end. Add some coriander powder. I think it's this one, yep. Some coriander powder and some cumin powder. There we go. It smells good, but I don't know if this is like how it's supposed to smell. Okay, she says put on the lid.
अब हम पैन को कवर करके इसे कम से कम 2 मिनट के लिए लो मीडियम फ्लेम
and cook it for 2 minutes, but stir in between and on a low flame. Let's see if I can make this low flame without turning it off. Yes. The paneer, 400 grams. I got the milky mist paneer. In the live chat last Wednesday, I asked you guys if it would be okay if I just buy the paneer, and because so many people in India do that. Don't get me wrong, I can make paneer from scratch, but right now it's about making the masala and everything, so it's just like, yeah, let's buy it. Got some curd over here, also doubled her recipe, and some fresh cream. Let me try a cube of that milky mist paneer because honestly it doesn't look that good. Oh, it's fine. Pretty tasty actually. I'm not complaining. Moving on with the recipe.
और डाल दिया मसालों में.
I'm supposed to put in all of the curd. Curd is basically yogurt. See, finding all of the angles. Repeat again, and then stirring, mixing the yogurt or the curd and the masala. So I definitely feel her masala looks a lot thicker than mine. Mine is a little bit watery.
अब हम इसमें पानी डालेंगे, तो ये प्याज टमाटर का जो पानी है वो मैंने यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा डाला.
I'm still gonna add the tomato water. Let's see where this goes. Is it gonna be too watery? Oh no, of course not, because I doubled her recipe, so obviously I'm gonna have more masala. That makes sense, right? There we go, adding in all the tomato water. The gravy now is definitely a little bit too watery, but obviously I have to add some other stuff too. And you can always thicken it if it's like too watery. I can cook, you know, it's not that I cannot cook at all. I can cook, but I've never cooked Indian food. Well, this is the second time. In the times when I used to make Shahi Paneer at home, I just had like the masala from box. Yes, shoot me. I did buy it in India though, so don't shoot me maybe. I need to start adding salt now. Salt to taste. 2.5. So this is the current thickness. I think this is okay. So you have to take into account that I doubled the recipe, so I think like judging from the bubbles that it should be good. This masala is recommendable on this kitchen. But right now we need to add in the cream. And I don't understand why she took so much cream for the recipe, but then just adds like 2 spoons.
इसमें फ्रेश क्रीम डालेंगे. मैंने 2 बड़े चम्मच फ्रेश क्रीम डाला है. अगर क्रीम आपके पास अवेलेबल नहीं है तो दूध की मलाई को मिक्स करके.
Why? Why you do that, mysterious lady? Adding in the cream. Okay, gosh, definitely not as graceful as she's doing it. I'll put like 4 spoons. She put 2 spoons. Oh my god, this is like such a nailed it picture. Like I can't. Wow. Okay. Mix it. Like look at this wall. Seriously, look at the state of this cooker. Like this masala is difficult to cook, my friends. Well, at least it's difficult like to keep the kitchen clean. Seriously, look at my arm while stirring that masala. This hurts. This burns. This is not okay. And also, like, everything is a mess. There has to be a better way to cook this. Seriously, let me know down in the comments below because this is not even remotely funny. This is all burns. This hurts. Yeah, I can try to do it as pretty as she did, but at the same time, we have double the portion over here. Okay, last thing we need to add, garam masala. But I didn't put it too much. I'm gonna leave it on a low flame. Maybe it thickens a little bit more, and also I have to taste it if it's salty enough. Actually, I think it's okay in terms of thickness. It could be a little bit more thicker, but it's fine. At least it's not too dry. That's good. We have a little gravy. Yeah, might be even a little bit too salty. Something's off. It's too salty. Way too salty. So 2 spoons was not a good idea. Actually, I just remembered a trick for when the dish is too salty. A little bit of sugar. Right now I'm adding jaggery. Not sure how much, but let's see what the effect is of like 1 teaspoon. Hope that helps. Oh yeah, that's definitely thickening up. I'm just letting it simmer on a low flame. See, with paneer, I don't like my gravy too thick. The moment of truth. We got a trusted tester 1, trusted tester 2. Yeah. Let's do this. Oh my gosh. Okay, we got some leche paratas over here, some curd. Let's do this. Yes, ladies first. Try it. Oh my goodness. So, how do you feel about the color and the texture? So the paneer is bought.
Good start.
Yeah. Also the paratha is bought. These are the best leche paratas ever. Inner chef, just saying. Tell me.
It's amazing that you're cooking it for the first time. It's perfect on flavor. And
No way, no, it's way too salty.
salt is not more. At least for my taste, it's perfect.
Seriously?
Bang on.
Okay, so what grade would you give me?
11.
Are you serious? What the hell?
I'm not a paneer fan and I'm liking it.
Oh my god. Okay. Go. I'm like, what?
Salt.
Yeah, you already like immediately mentioned.
Masala.
Masalas everywhere. What? Is it good?
Did you buy it?
No! Seriously, I cooked it. You saw it. I have the proof that it failed.
I just saw the splattered kitchen. I did not.
Yes, exactly. That is the proof.
Shahi Paneer.
No?
It's a restaurant quality.
You actually have earned your right to.
Are you serious? What grade would you give me?
The Queen has made a Shahi fit for a royal feast.
Oh my god. So okay, so what grade would you give it?
I'll give you a 12. There was.
Are you serious? What the hell?
Actually, that one, eat it and you'll know.
Oh my god.
Trust me,
Okay,
very
okay.
It's supposed to be.
I'm gonna try it now too.
Stop that camera and start eating.
So it's not too salty?
No.
Not
Seriously?
It's perfect. Consistency A1.
Insane.
A1. Color A1.
What?
This.
Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna give you a little close up.
Even sweetness is perfect.
So I added 2 teaspoons of jaggery. So I think that also helped like to balance it out. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. What? Okay, let me try. Oh, okay.
Shooting schedule.
How is it?
I swear to God.
It's one of the best, trust me.
So, no, seriously. So I put in 1 teaspoon of jaggery, and it was still too salty. I added 1 teaspoon extra. Now it's perfect. It really balanced out the salt. Okay, now I believe you guys. I was thinking that you guys were just being nice.
I'll be honest, trust me.
Oh my gosh, okay. I'm very happy how this turned out in the end because it was really too salty. But great video. For the recipe, check the video of the beautiful lady on YouTube. The biggest compliment ever. everything finished. And it's not because I didn't cook enough. We had more than enough. Yes, everything is finished. Oh my goodness! So all is well that ends well. Apparently I can also cook Shahi Paneer. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you would like to see more of my videos or what I'm cooking next week. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you next time. Bye!